In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Payoneer two-step verification to Google Authenticator. Before we begin, make sure you have the Google Authenticator app installed on your phone and that you're signed in to the correct device you plan to keep with you. Now, open your browser and head to the official Payoneer website. Double-check the URL to avoid phishing pages, then sign into your account as you normally do. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. From the drop-down, choose Settings. On the Settings page, find and open Security Settings. This is where you manage your login protection and approvals for sensitive actions. Scroll down until you see the two-step verification section. Click Edit. This area controls how Payoneer verifies it's really you when you sign in or make account changes. Switching from text messages to an Authenticator app is a great upgrade because it reduces the risk of SIM swap attacks and avoids delays if your mobile network is spotty. Next, choose the Authenticator option. Depending on your account layout, it may be labeled Use Mobile App to approve actions or Authentication app. Both mean the same thing here. You're moving your verification to an app like Google Authenticator. A QR code will appear on your screen. Grab your phone and open Google Authenticator. Tap the plus sign to add a new account, then select Scan QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on the Payoneer page. If the scan doesn't register right away, make sure the code is centered and the screen brightness is up for a clear capture. After the account is added, Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Return to the Payoneer website and enter that code in the verification field, then click Confirm or Continue. If the code refreshes while you're typing, that's normal. Just use the latest one shown in the app. Payoneer may now provide backup or recovery codes. This step is important. Save these codes in a secure place, such as a trusted password manager or a paper note stored safely. Avoid screenshots or unsecured notes. These codes can help you regain access if you lose your phone or reset it. And that's it. Your Payoneer account is now protected with Google Authenticator instead of SMS, giving you stronger security and a faster sign-in experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Payoneer tips and tutorials.